All right, pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Coming in hot here with Atomic onto lap number 2. Your leader's McGap, though. Race band number 7, bottom left-hand corner. He's out at the Spiral of Flags, leading our field, leading our charge. He had a 43.9 is his opener. He is right now the number 15 spot overall. Group C, is that the 1 o'clock group? Or 1 o'clock group? Yeah, you can start thinking about it. We'll be adding you to the table here momentarily. We are moving about 10 minutes ahead of schedule. Yes, I said that. Yes, that's happening. We're on lap number 3 for McGap and Sparky MJ. And now Nubs as well. 20 seconds still to go. Surgical FPV onto that lead lap, lap number 3. Watching McGap. He's got it happening right now. Up to the high side of the Tornado Tower. No one near him. And that's the great thing. Not only the lead for track position, but less risk for mid-airs. Let's put him on to lap number 4 now. And he squeezes by with just a hair to spare, 0.2 of a second, give or take. And now it's a checkered flag at the top of the gate. So 3 laps, 2:05 for Sparky MJ. He is going to come down right there, Sparky MJ. That's going to move him up a little deeper into about the number 43 spot overall. Nubs, you're done 3 laps in 2:13. That is going to put you inside of the top 60 in the number 57 spot, give or take. Surgical done 3 laps in 2:18. Drobot Racer. Our judges are like, what happened right there? That is going to be 3 laps in 2:22. Atomic 3 laps 2:32, and McGap gets 4 laps in 1:54. And it looks like his last 3 laps are going to be his fastest in the session. That is a 45, 30, and a 38. And not as fast as his earlier effort, but good rounds here for McGap. That's it in all. Let's retrieve some quads. All results are on mgp.livefpv.com. You want to follow along. As soon as I hit save on my computer, that is where they go.